Your body isn't falling apart after 60. In fact, one part of your health may actually become stronger than you've ever been told. Today, we're going to talk about something almost no one explains clearly: the real changes that happen in your intimate health as you age, what's normal, what's not, and what you can do to stay balanced, comfortable, and deeply connected to your body. You'll hear surprising truths, practical steps, and near the end, a powerful natural recipe used for generations by long-living women in the world's famous blue zones. There's a lot to cover, so stay with me. Hi, I am Dr. Dylan, an experienced board-certified doctor with over 25 years in preventive medicine. My mission is simple: deliver rigorous, essential health advice specifically for people over 60, so you can enjoy life fully, without suffering from poorly informed medical decisions. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider it. Tell us in the comments which city or country you're watching from. Your messages inspire me to keep sharing what truly matters. Now, let's get to it. Let me start by clearing up a myth that has caused far too much worry. You may have heard that a woman's body starts to collapse or fade after 60, as if decline were unavoidable. That idea is not only wrong, it's one of the most damaging misconceptions ever spread about women's health. The truth is far more empowering. A mature woman's body goes through remarkable shifts, some challenging, yes, but many deeply beneficial. And when you understand what's happening, you gain control rather than fear. Here's a revelation most women never hear. A woman over 60 can actually enjoy better intimate health than many men her age, and in some cases, even better than younger women, as long as she supports her body wisely. That may sound surprising, but it's true. With the right habits, the vaginal environment can become healthier, more stable, and more resistant to infection than it ever was during adolescence. Now ask yourself this: how many women around you know that? Very few. These truths stay hidden. They're rarely discussed openly, yet they are essential. So if you find this helpful, consider sharing it with a woman you care about. A small gesture can change someone's life. But while many changes are positive, some can feel confusing or even worrying if you don't know what's happening. Hormonal shifts, the silent effects of menopause, decreased natural lubrication, subtle differences in sexual comfort or pleasure. None of this is a failure of the body. These are natural transitions, ones you can manage and even transform once you understand the mechanisms behind them. And if you stay until the end, I'll give you a simple, ancestral, completely natural drink used by long-living women in blue zones, those rare regions where people routinely reach 90 or 100 with strong bodies, clear minds, and vibrant, intimate health. Women there don't rely on miracle pills or expensive treatments. They lean on simple practices passed down through generations. Before we explore all of this, I want to invite you to take a small step for yourself. If caring for your health is a priority right now, write this in the comments: my intimate health is my priority. Neuroscience shows that writing or speaking an intention increases the chance you'll follow through. I want this video to be more than knowledge. I want it to be a shift inside you. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter. What actually happens inside the vagina after 60? We talk openly about wrinkles, gray hair, or changes in skin elasticity. But the intimate area? That conversation almost never happens. Yet it deserves clarity without shame. So here's the truth. Yes, changes occur. But no, they are not signs of decline. The primary driver is menopause. During this phase, estrogen levels drop sharply. Estrogen is the hormone that keeps the vaginal tissues hydrated, elastic, and protected. When it decreases, natural lubrication fades. Maybe you've felt more dryness day to day. Maybe intimacy feels different, or you've noticed occasional discomfort. You're not alone, and you're not breaking down. These effects are common, and importantly, they're manageable. Lower estrogen also means the tissues become more delicate. They can develop tiny microtears more easily. The vaginal pH, normally slightly acidic, can shift, making infections like yeast overgrowth or bacterial imbalance more likely. And the pelvic floor muscles may lose tone over the years, leading to small leaks when laughing or coughing, or reduced pleasure during intimacy. But listen closely. None of this marks the end of your femininity, your sexuality, or your sense of self. This is simply a new chapter, one you can navigate with wisdom and confidence. You have the ability to preserve comfort, protect your tissues, and rediscover a deeper, more conscious form of pleasure. You start by choosing not to ignore your body, not to surrender, not to assume this is just how it has to be. So, what causes all these changes? 3 main pillars. 1. Hormones. 2. Menopause. 3. Lifestyle. They're deeply connected, and all 3 can be influenced. Let's begin with hormones. Estrogen does far more than regulate menstrual cycles. It maintains skin firmness, bone strength, mental clarity, and of course, intimate balance. When it drops, dryness, thinner tissues, and lower libido can appear. But there's good news. You can naturally support estrogen activity through food. Flax seeds, soy, chickpeas, sesame, these are rich in phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic the helpful actions of estrogen. Their benefits are well documented. Next, the menopause transition. Every woman experiences it differently. Some breeze through it. Others face hot flashes, irritability, insomnia. But simple choices can dramatically ease the experience. A diet rich in phytoestrogens, regular physical activity, pelvic floor exercises, adequate hydration inside and out, stress reduction, because chronic stress disrupts the hormonal system more than most people realize. Small actions repeated with care create powerful change. You don't need perfection. You just need to begin. Now take one slow breath with me. Place your hand on your lower belly and ask yourself, what can I do today to take care of myself? Whatever answer comes, listen to it. Then comes the 3rd pillar, lifestyle. Some women at 65 or 75 radiate energy and confidence. Others feel drained and disconnected. The difference is rarely genetics. It's daily habits, sleep, nutrition, movement, emotional balance, social connection. Everything counts. And it is never too late to start. Not at 60, not at 72, not at 85. So what can you do right now to support and even revitalize your intimate health? First, hydration and natural lubrication. Dryness after 50 is common, but it is not inevitable. Drink enough water, more than you think. Add healthy fats to your meals. Olive oil, avocados, flax seeds, walnuts, chia. These nourish your mucous membranes. Use natural oils externally. Cold-pressed coconut oil is an excellent ally. It hydrates, protects, and has mild antibacterial properties. Second, strengthen your pelvic floor. This is rarely talked about, yet it changes everything. Kegel exercises are simple, discreet, and effective. Contract as if you're holding in urine. Hold for 5 seconds, release. Squats also help restore circulation and tone. Just 3 sets of 15 a day can make a significant difference. Third, food as gentle medicine. Soy, flax seeds, dark leafy greens, fermented foods, these support hormonal balance, the vaginal microbiome, and bone strength. Fourth, respectful intimate hygiene. Avoid aggressive products, vaginal douching, or synthetic underwear. The vagina is self-cleaning. It just needs support, not interference. Fifth, emotional health and self-esteem. Your inner world shapes your intimate world. Stress, anxiety, guilt, these tighten the body, lower desire, and amplify symptoms. Give yourself moments of calm. Read, meditate, talk openly with your partner. See a caring professional if you need guidance. Many gynecologists specialize in mature women's health. Now, as promised, here is the Blue Zone recipe. A natural drink passed down quietly for generations, hydrating, hormone supporting, soothing, and immune boosting. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon golden flax seeds, 250 milliliters coconut milk or almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon pure honey or jatai honey, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Flax seeds provide powerful phytoestrogens. Coconut or almond milk offers healthy fats that nourish your tissues. Turmeric is a potent natural anti-inflammatory shown to support blood flow and reduce tissue irritation. Honey helps maintain a balanced microbiome. Black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric. Preparation: let the flax seeds soak in the milk for 10 minutes. Add turmeric, honey, and pepper. Mix well or blend for smoothness. Drink immediately. Take it in the morning on an empty stomach for better absorption, or at night to support calm and sleep. If you have a bleeding disorder, allergies, or diabetes, consult your doctor before using it regularly. And one last thing, some everyday foods, seemingly harmless, can quietly accelerate aging inside your body. They disrupt hormones, inflame tissues, weaken immunity, and speed up internal aging. I listed them in the description. Take a look. You may find a hidden trigger behind symptoms you've blamed on age. Before you go, tell me in the comments, which city are you listening from? And give this video a rating from 0 to 10. Then write this sentence: I choose to live my best chapter. If this message helped you, share it with one woman you care about. One is enough. She may never say it out loud, but she'll feel it.